Plan provision. There's no need for planning a provision to be a complicated, time-consuming process. Provision Tracker's simple and intuitive form allows you to set up a provision within minutes. From the dashboard, navigate to Plan Provision, located in the left-hand menu bar. Within this screen, you can name your provision, schedule its sessions, select resources, and choose which pupils are to be included. First, we'll enter a name and description for our provision. This can be done by clicking in the text fields at the top of the form. Once you're happy, click Continue. If your provision contains pupils with special educational needs, you may wish to apply an area of need. You can do this by using the drop-down menu labelled Area of Need. Next, we'll choose the subject this provision relates to. Much like Area of Need, simply use the drop-down menu to find the applicable subject. You'll see the subject we're looking for, Reading, is not currently listed as an option. This is not a problem, as we can add new subjects as we go. To add a new subject, click the link below the drop-down menu. You'll see an information box displayed, where we may input the new subject. Let's do this now. Now we'll schedule in our sessions. This provision contains 3 sessions, 2 of which have already been added for you. Click on Friday the 7th to arrange our final session. When adding a session to the schedule, you have several options. With recurrence and frequency options, scheduling your session is quick and easy. For our demo, we've also completed this form for you, scheduling this session to occur between 10 and 10:30 a.m. In this section, we'll define where our provision will take place, which resources will be used, and the members of staff delivering our provision. First, let's choose a location. We can apply cost to our locations. However, in this case, our provision's happening in school and therefore can be costed as 0. Notice how our selected location appears in blue on the right-hand side of the screen. This will help you keep track of your selections so far. Next, we'll add a resource. Reading Tools, our school's digital teaching aid, costs £5 per session. Let's cost this now. Multiple staff can be included within a provision, and this can change each session. You'll be able to manage the staff involved at a later stage. For now, we'll choose Miss Kelly James as our primary provider. Assessment methods are completely customisable, allowing Provision Tracker to use schools' existing models. You'll be able to input new assessment methods as you go, without leaving this section. For now, let's choose the example included within the demo, EYFS Development Matters Reading. Before moving on to the final section, scroll up and review your selected location, resources, provider and assessment method here. Many options are available to aid you in choosing the right pupils for your provision. You can search for a pupil by name or filter them by age, pupil premium status, special need and more. For now, let's select the top 5 pupils on the list in front of you and add them to our provision. When Provision Tracker is set up in school, you'll be able to share your provision with other staff members, allowing for effortless communication amongst your team. Let's save this provision and move on to the next stage.